an offense under this act for which no other punishment is given, that person is liable on conviction to a term of imprisonment not exceeding 5 years or to a fine not exceeding 10 million shillings or both. This is lifted to go to the Public Audit Act. And here there is no leniency. So just master those, you'll be fine, because the governor is fine, but don't put your governor in trouble, because if you put you in trouble, he will put you in trouble as well. Thank you, Chair.
Very well. And I forgot to say, apart from the CEC, CEO, and the 2 officers, the municipal board, you are also on that list of people who can go to jail because of this provision. Governor, I don't know, the municipal board, is it in place?
They are not, Mr. Chairman.
They are not in place.
They're not. Only one person here. Here.
No,
they are.
You have a board?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
I have it.
So who is representing the board here?
The CC planning.
The CEC lands. You need to tell them that they are also liable on this matter, because the law on urban areas and the Cities Act puts them in that bracket of ensuring that there is financial accountability, and this includes that segment of financial accountability. So anyway, I have given direction on that matter. So, honorable members, that brings us to the end of the audited reports for Kisii municipality for the 3 years. Now we will look at the audited reports for 2 years for Kisii County Health Improvement Fund. Is the document in yellow, honorable members?